Today I'm doing more work on the jazz painting and just trying to refine it, add some more depth and make changes, just bringing it all together. Building up layers is a great way of creating depth, and also it adds interest because there's always small portions of what's underneath showing through. I like to paint around the whole painting rather than just work on one particular area. So you see me here adding the lime green throughout the painting, not just in one place. And this is going to create consistency, provide some rhythm throughout the painting. Now some of this will be covered up, I'm sure, but right now I'm just popping in some of that color throughout the whole entire painting. I like to stay loose by holding my brush near the end. If you want to get my 7 tips for staying loose while you paint, I have a PDF that you can get, and the link is in the description below. So go ahead and sign up for that, and you will get the PDF with the tips to help you stay loose. So it's constant adjustments, adding and subtracting here as I go. I'm lightening the background now, and that's going to allow the figures to pop forward a bit more. Also refining the shapes more as I go. Removing any unnecessary bits, leaving a little bit more negative space. You see me going back and forth from the canvas, and what I don't show you is how long I ponder when I'm standing back to make any changes. This video is sped up 3 times. So although I paint fairly fast, this is by no means how fast I paint. So just adding some more color onto the base, giving this hand a little bit more movement. I decided to change the color of the drum, push it back into the background more. It was competing with the figure in front. Adding in some lighter values. Adding in some highlights in places just to indicate maybe where the light is falling, giving a little bit more dimension. So I've decided to change the color of the dress on my singer here, making it into a limey green. And I want to bring that green color in other places as well. Adding a bit more shape into my figure as well. Enriching my colors by adding more layers, giving it more depth. Now just coming back in again with some lighter values. Adding some highlights to have a light and bright value. Now I found that the red was really dominant on the left side and not enough on the right, so I'm bringing some red into the right side of the painting now. Again, really trying to stay loose and add bits of color. So I'm going to tone down the red over here just to lessen it. working wet into wet as well, so that I'm blending the color right on the painting. So I'm going to need another session to finish this piece. So I hope you'll join me for the third video